Good morning, everyone. Today is November 24 and it's around 6 a.m. So, apologies for my face dahil di pa tayo nakapag-ayos. This is our Airbnb. It's called the Casita at Greenyard. And I'm gonna take you on an exploration with me kasi first time ko titignan ang beach since we arrived yesterday here in Boracay. This is our fourth time, I believe, to go here, but this is the first time that we're staying here at Greenyard. It is located at the back of Pulabog Beach, and the reason why we chose this area is daming dog. Daming aso, katakot. Yun yung bahay yata ng owner. But I'm gonna go down right now. Agatin ako. This is the third floor. And then it's gonna lead us right to, I think the cafe is not yet open. But this is my favorite cafe in Boracay. So, it's called Calma Cafe. Tapos meron kaming shortcut here. I think I'm allowed to go down because the third floor is owned by a different tenant here at Greenyard. Huh. Morning po. Hello po. Sa Calma Cafe po sila?
Yes po.
Okay. Doon lang kami sa naka-Airbnb po kami doon sa taas kasi.
Ako na.
Sige po. Here is the beach. Oh my God. So, nagsiset up pa lang sila for the cafe. And this is what we always go back to here sa Boracay. And the reason why we love Pulabog Beach is, damn, look at that. It is quiet. It's peaceful. It doesn't have the sand, the white sand of the white beach sa kabila. And there tends to be lots of tourists there. So ngayon, wala tao. Mahangin pa. Weather has cleared up, thankfully. And lakad tayong konti. Meron palang mga ano dito. May mga higaan.